Cut strips from foil and create a unique decoration. Start with decorative foil or paper in any color or pattern. Cut out a square, adjusting the size to match your gift. Fold the square in half to form a triangle, making sure the fold is neat. Use scissors to cut strips along the folded triangle, spacing them evenly but leaving about 1 centimeter uncut at the edges. Apply a thin layer of glue along the strips, folding and attaching each one to the center, starting with the longest strips. Repeat the process on the other side. Your decoration will begin to look like a 3D Christmas tree. Once finished, flip it over and apply glue to the back. Attach it carefully to a wrapped gift. Add a decorative star to the top of the tree for a festive touch. This is a creative way to make traditional gift wrapping more special and unique. In a quick and inexpensive way, you can create a festive decoration that will impress everyone. Start with a long branch of an ornamental tree. I've chosen a thuja branch. Make sure it's not too thick. Gently shape the branch into a circle without breaking it. Once the shape is ready, tie both ends together using wire or regular thread. Secure them tightly so it stays intact. Add a few smaller branches to make the wreath look fuller and denser. Next, take a small ornament in any color and thread a piece of string through it. Hang the ornament at the top of the wreath. Then, take a long decorative ribbon and tie it above the ornament. Finally, attach a decorative bow where the branches meet the ornament and ribbon. Your festive decoration is ready. Hang it on your door to bring a holiday vibe to your home. A simple, natural wreath that looks light yet catches everyone's eye. Create a festive centerpiece using wine glasses without spending any extra money. It's common to have leftover glasses after some break, so this project is a perfect way to reuse them. Start with a decorative or brightly colored plate as your base. You'll need 3 wine glasses for this project. Before placing them, take a thick, decorative paper, trace the glass rim to create 3 circles and cut them out. Set the circles aside for now. Fill each glass with a mix of baubles in your chosen colors and small ornaments you already have. Seal the tops of the glasses with the paper circles using hot glue, locking the decorations inside. Place the glasses upside down on the plate. For a festive touch, tie red ribbons around the stems, making charming bows. Finally, place small candles on the bases of the inverted glasses. Light the candles to create a stunning centerpiece perfect for a holiday dinner or a cozy winter evening. Enjoy the warm, festive glow that brings a magical atmosphere to your home. Surprise your loved ones with a simple and quick decoration that works perfectly as a gift or a sweet addition to the holiday table. Start by taking a rectangular piece of cellophane and arranging 5 Ferrero Rocher chocolates in a row. Roll the cellophane slowly and evenly to form a neat tube. Make sure the cellophane fits snugly around the chocolates, but isn't too tight to avoid damaging the delicate treats. Cut a few pieces of string and tie them between each chocolate, pressing gently to shape them. Ensure the string holds firmly but doesn't squash the chocolates. Trim any excess string for a clean look. Fold the ends of the cellophane upward and tie them together with string to form a circular shape. Add a small decoration, like a bauble, attaching it to the top of the wreath. Finally, use a decorative ribbon to tie a bow at the top, completing the elegant look. Done. Your festive Ferrero Rocher wreath is not only beautiful but also delicious. This decoration makes a perfect gift or a unique centerpiece for your Christmas table. This idea will surely impress your family and guests. Start with 2 bottles of liquid soap. Choose lightly colored, transparent soaps for the best effect. Carefully remove the labels from the bottles. This step is crucial, and you'll see why shortly. Next, gather small, festive decorations that can fit through the bottle's opening. Open the soap bottle and add your chosen holiday-themed decorations. For a striking look, use colorful decorations. Once you've added them, close the bottle and gently shake it to evenly distribute the decorations in the soap. Thanks to the label removal, the floating decorations are fully visible, creating a stunning effect. Place these festive soap bottles in your bathroom, where they'll undoubtedly catch everyone's attention. This decorative hack brings a holiday vibe to your space and is a guaranteed hit. It's an affordable and quick way to add a festive touch. These soaps also make thoughtful, unique holiday gifts. Get rid of all the bugs in your home for just 4 zloty. It's a brilliant method that replaces harmful chemical preparations. You'll have a pleasantly smelling home, free from insects. Just do a simple thing. We'll show you how to take care of your home to get rid of ants, moths, flies, and mosquitoes. Use simple products that you already have at home. You'll be surprised to see how suddenly all the flies disappear after a short time. You'll need regular bar soap and dry cloves. Go to the spice cabinet and grab some cloves. Stick the cloves into the soap. You'll need from 20 to 30 cloves and 1 bar of your chosen soap. The scent of the soap is irritating to flies and ants. Cloves are the best insect repellent. They repel bugs as long as they smell. The combination of soap and cloves has an even greater effect. Ants, moths, and even bedbugs hate their smell. Instead of health-harming preparations, this method is completely safe. Soap with cloves placed next to the laptop on the desk protects against mosquitoes. Left in the kitchen cabinet, it repels all food moths and ants. If you put such a bar on the clothing shelf, moths won't touch them. It also repels bugs from the outside. Put cloves under the bed. Start using them not only in the kitchen. This spice has more uses than you think. However, few people take advantage of them. Have you ever used cloves on the windowsill? Or by the door? Have you ever tried keeping them under the bed? This application of cloves will solve many problems in the house. And you'll regret not knowing about it earlier. Just 1 tablespoon of cloves is enough. Grind them in a grinder or blender. This will extract a more intense fragrance from them. Transfer the ground cloves to a bowl. Sprinkle a pinch of cloves on the windowsill, by the wall. Also, sprinkle them in front of the front door or the entrance from the terrace. Instead of sprinkling cloves, you can place a bowl with them in these places. Leave them on the windowsill, by the front door, or under the bed. You can mix ground cloves with warm water. After some time, strain them through gauze into a spray bottle. You can spray such water in places where insects and bugs appear. Cloves repel ants, wasps, silverfish, bedbugs, and even spiders. You can also get rid of cats from the garden. Just spray the ground with water with cloves. You can also spray your skin to repel mosquitoes. As you can see, cloves will come in handy wherever you don't want pests and insects.